Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to copy and paste text without using the formatting that it's in the source document. So I have this document right here, and you can see it's in blue, it's a little bit bigger, and it's bolded. Let's say I wanted to copy this text without any of this blue text or bolded in just like normal font, right? So the first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight it all, and I'm gonna press Command Copy or Control Copy if you're on a Windows. So now I've copied this to my clipboard. I'm gonna go to my new document, and then I'm going to press these hotkeys. I'm gonna press Command Shift V. Now you can see that it is copied in just the standard formatting for that new page. If I was to do Command V, you'll see it copies in the format from the original source document here. So this can be handy if you're just copying and pasting a lot of different text or something from a different document, and you want to use it, and you want the formatting to match the document that you're sending it to, as opposed to the document that you're sending it from. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.